The fallout after the reversal in the Harvey Weinstein case, the New York Court of Appeals overturned his 2020 conviction for sexual assault, a landmark event in the Me Too movement. Eva Pilgrim here with the story. Good morning, Eva.
Good morning, George. Even Weinstein's own attorneys were surprised by this decision, and they weren't the only ones. This morning, the reactions from jurors and victims now flooding in.
This morning, the Manhattan District Attorney's Office vowing to attempt to retry the case against disgraced Hollywood mogul Harvey Weinstein after a state court of appeals overturned his 2020 rape conviction. Weinstein was convicted of sexual crimes against 2 women in New York.
To the survivors of Harvey Weinstein, I owe, and we all owe, an immense debt to you.
He was sentenced to 23 years behind bars, but in a 4-3 decision, the New York Court of Appeals overturning that verdict, citing what it called egregious errors and finding the judge erroneously allowed women who weren't part of the case to testify. Amanda Brainerd, known as Juror 11, voted to convict Weinstein. She tells ABC News she was appalled by the ruling.
We took our role very seriously. We focused on the charges, which was our job. So it seems to me that to overturn a verdict based on witnesses that really were not that relevant to our discussion is insane.
Caitlin Delaney, an actress who was not involved in the case but accused Weinstein of sexually assaulting her in a hotel room in 1996, says she was shocked by the decision.
While this is a setback, all of us who work in this field are still moving forward and do believe that change will happen.
Weinstein was once considered one of the most powerful men in Hollywood, accused of using his power to either advance or destroy women's careers based on how they responded to his sexual advances. Accusations he's denied, accusations that helped spark the Me Too movement. More than 80 women have accused Weinstein of sexual assault or harassment, including actresses Uma Thurman, Gwyneth Paltrow, Rose McGowan, and Ashley Judd, who blasted the decision to overturn his conviction.
This is what it's like to be a woman in America, living with male entitlement to our bodies.
Lauren O'Connor worked for Weinstein from 2013 to 2016. It was an internal memo she wrote to studio executives that led to the 2017 New York Times article outing accusations against her former boss.
And I remember the day that he was convicted in New York was a tremendous victory and surreal. And I think, sitting here today reading the news, the sad thing I'll say is I'm not surprised.
This morning, Weinstein remains at a prison near Albany, still behind bars, for a sexual assault conviction in LA in 2022 that his lawyer says they plan to appeal.
That appeal has not been even filed yet, let alone heard. So I'm sure he is anxious to get the ball rolling.
And the Manhattan District Attorney's Office says it intends to retry Weinstein, and that means his accusers could be forced to retell their stories again on the witness stand. George.
Okay, Eva, thanks very much. Let's bring in ABC News Live contributor Channel Lloyd. Welcome back. So does this fall into the category of shocking but not surprising?
It does, because this is really a procedural reason that it was overturned. This really doesn't speak to guilt or innocence. They felt that his constitutional due process was not met by allowing witnesses who were not charged to speak on other charges for other individuals. That's typically not allowed because it's considered prior bad acts.
Close decision, 4-3. The dissents were pretty scathing.
Absolutely scathing. What they found is that this might actually have a very chilling effect. They found that these overturning of these criminal convictions for sexual assault really speaks to the fact that the criminal justice system doesn't understand the nuances in sexual assault cases. Consent is a very big issue, but it's a very complicated issue that can't be ruled on in this way.
What happens next?
What happens next is if they retry it and the prosecution moves forward, all of these witnesses will have to testify again, and my heart goes out to them.
Channel Lloyd, thanks very much.